How do I print directly from my iPad or iPhone to my printer? Discover how easy it is to bring your digital creations to life with this simple guide. On printing from your iPhone to an HP printer. Part 1. How to print from iPhone to HP printer with computer. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Win and Mac is a versatile third-party software designed for seamless iOS data management. With this robust tool, you can effortlessly print from iPad or iPhone to HP printer via your computer. Connect iPhone to PC. Tap Trust this computer. Open Mobikin Assistant. Select Content. Adjust storage. Click Export for iTunes free transfer. Maintain USB connection until complete. Access and verify transferred content on PC. Part 2. How to print from iPad or iPhone to HP printer wirelessly. Place HP printer in wireless range. Access printer control panel. Connect to network. Enter password. Verify active connection via control panel or test report. HP printer is ready for wireless iPhone printing. Part 3. How to print from iPhone to HP printer with AirPrint. Connect iPhone and HP printer to the same Wi-Fi network. Open desired content on iPhone. Tap Share icon. Find and tap Print in the sharing menu. iPhone detects AirPrint-enabled printers. Choose your HP printer. Customize settings, copies, paper size, color. Tap Print to start printing. Part 4. How to print from iPad or iPhone HP printer via HP Smart. Download HP Smart from App Store. Connect iPhone to printer. Launch HP Smart. Select print type. Grant access if prompted. Choose content. Adjust settings. Tap Print to start. Part 5. How to print from iPhone to HP printer with cable. Connect iPhone to HP printer via USB. Open desired content on iPhone. Tap Share. Select Print. Choose HP printer. Adjust settings. Tap Print to start.